Okay, around 1913, Raoul Barre developed the peg system that made it easier to align drawings by perforating two holes below each drawing and be able to place them into two fixed pegs. So what this obviously allowed you to do was be able to basically have a consistent frame. So if you had a character, obviously on top of another character, the pegs itself kind of made it kind of this assembly line process where it would perfectly align and you wouldn't get like a jitter. He also used a slash and tear technique to not have to draw the complete background or other motionless parts for every single frame. So imagine if you had to draw a rock, a character was like walking by and he had to draw a rock for like the beginning of his frame, and then every time he walked through a frame he had to redraw that rock. So now he basically was able to like keep that stationary because he tore away the paper and just drew the character moving across. And again, because of the alignment, it always stayed perfectly stationary, so it looked like it was all seamlessly one piece of art. Um, Barre founded one of the first film studios dedicated to animation in 1914. They partnered up with Bud Fisher, who had a very popular comic strip at the time called Mutt and Jeff, and they turned his comics into cartoons. So this is obviously a big step already in animation. The fact that you can now align your art in a perfect way that didn't allow you to also draw every single thing, every single drawing over and over again. You could actually like do piecemeal what you needed to draw to make that character move in a background that maybe was just stationary. Here's a bit of Mutt and Jeff.